Hello, in this video we're gonna check the weight of each Samsung Galaxy S24 device. And to do this, first we'll need to visit our website hardreset.info. You can also see the name of each device from Samsung Galaxy S24 series right here. And then we can scroll down. In basic information, there should be weight. So this is S24. This is S24 Plus. And this is Ultra. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.